Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you something very important and something that people underestimate a lot. So can you guess what it is? Yeah, it is eyebrows. And ये एक ऐसी चीज है जो कि लोग बहुत underestimate करते हैं, and आज इस वीडियो में I'm going to show you how it will make a difference to your face and to your makeup and even in your regular everyday routine. So let's get started.
So it's a very sleek pencil. It's in brown shade, and on one side we have a pencil to fill the eyebrows and color them, and on the other side we have a spoolie. So spoolie is useful in combing the hair and setting them up. So I always start from the arch side. Hamesha when you are doing the eyebrows, the key is to start from the arch. So mostly what people do is they either start from the beginning or from the end, and later on वो eyebrows की shape इतनी ख़राब हो जाती है या it looks so weird that they have to correct it from the concealers or something. But the right technique is always start from the arch. उससे आपको एक frame मिल जाएगा, एक तरीके का stencil मिल जाएगा अपनी eyebrows के लिए, and then you can easily carry it towards both the sides. बहुत easy हो जाता है उससे shape draw करना and filling karna, and that also gives an uplifted look to your eyebrows. So try using it this way and you will see that your eyebrow game will change.
So can you see what difference it makes to your face? If you see this side, ऐसे लगता है कि हमने already कुछ हमें करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. And when you see this, ये थोड़ा incomplete लग रहा है. So I'll quickly do the second one also and then show you.
Eyebrow shaping, if done correctly, it can enhance the color of your eyes and brighten up your face like instantly. Everyone wants a face that naturally glows, right? And a lot of that radiance has to do with your eyebrows. So see, after completing the eyebrows, it just made my eyes look bolder and brighten my face. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Keep following us and we'll see you in the next video. See you.